We've done a previous trip on the causeway linking the two spits of land which create the lagoon. The one on the right, the large one, of course, is the um, Saltash Sea, or the Juan Fuca, Strait of Juan Fuca. And the lagoon here is a saltwater pond, if you like. And of course, now we've stopped to look at the wildlife, the birds that frequent this place. There are swans. A matter of fact, I counted 4 mute swans. It's a job to tell whether this couple here are a pen and a cob, though they seem to do everything together. Whereas I got in a little closer to them, they started this stretch of the neck, and then this one has to have a little go. And then they both look, and then I see the other pair of swans. It doesn't seem that they've bred this year. There's no sign of any cygnets, but there we are. Seagulls, of course, not as many as I would anticipate. Mainly a lot of them have gone into the city to get what food they can find at that point. The other bird is the Canada goose, of which there are great abundance here, and again looking for handouts from the tourists. This is quite a tourist drop-off point, and they certainly look forward to getting a handout. Hope you've enjoyed it.